Sky and Spencer here.
Hey guys, Sky and Spencer once again, and we went to Target today.
And then we just got some toys, you know, with a little bit of money that we saved up for the past 2 weeks. Got a couple of toys,
so we're here to give you guys a little unboxing
and review how
video.
The toys are, you know.
So we have the Force Awakens. Who is this? First Order Flametrooper,
and then we have a 18-inch
Kylo Ren.
Yeah. So then
18-inch. We're gonna end up getting all these.
Yeah, and then also they have another one, but it's Luke Skywalker, but they don't show it.
Yeah.
So you know, just a little quick stuff.
So let's get started with a little unboxing. Here you go.
Should you open up first?
I don't know.
Okay, looks like we're opening up Kylo Ren.
Actually, should we save him for last? Best for last?
Yeah. Okay. So we're opening up the First Order Flametrooper.
I'm gonna cue it up.
Hey, no, open it up from like the side.
Should I do it like right here?
Oh yeah, wait,
that's
get the tape off or something. Keep the box good. Man, guys, when we get a bunch of these, it's gonna be real awesome.
Perfect. Woo. That's fine. Alright. I'll probably be giving you guys like a room tour video.
So yeah, that'll probably be a later video. Either later today or tomorrow. So these are like a builder weapon that just comes with them.
It like comes with all of them.
Like the 3.75-inch toys.
You can do the honors.
Hey guys, so he's in box now, so let's see. So let's take. Ooh, don't want to mess up anything. So this thingamabob.
Let me see. You can open that up. This is a
so then here
Jango Fett's ship, I think.
Yeah. And here goes.
Open it.
Okay. So there's like a front and the back, you know. Can't move the arms right here. That kind of sucks, I guess.
What, you can't? At all? Yeah, you can.
Can't move this part. The elbows. Can't move the knees either.
What? Oh, wow. Suck. You can put it on. Took us a little while to get the gun on. It was kind of awkward.
Yeah.
But got it. So that's your boy. What was this? $12.99 at Target. It's pretty nice. So that's that.
Okay, now
time for the big boy, Kylo Ren unboxing. Let's go.
Oh.
Here.
Him aside. One second.
Here. Forget about it. Just put it down. Spence.
Okay, guys. So this is pretty exciting. Woo.
Wow.
Man, been waiting to get this for a bit. All you gotta do is cut the tape.
You did. Oh. Ha. I don't know how to work these either.
No. You're doing it wrong. Turn it around. Turn it around. Yeah. Then you gotta cut that. I hate those. They're like impossible without scissors.
I will defeat you. The Q. Okay.
I got this. Yeah, that's smart.
Okay. That backfired.
Okay, let's switch up. Okay. Okay, again through a little. Alright, guys, like 5 seconds later, I got it.
About time.
Okay, so. Scum that. Okay, now we got one by the foot. Ooh.
Ow. That was dumb.
Hold on. Ooh.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So now.
Sit up. Yeah.
Wait, hold up. He's like stuck to something. Hold up.
No, he's not. Oh, in the back. Tape.
Oh, I don't want to mess up anything.
Oh, it's the cape. The cape's. It's in something.